Hello YouTube, today, oh my god, what is this? Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to, get ringtones, live live wallpapers, ringtones, notifications, games, and icons. First, what you'll need is your phone. Go to Play Store. Type in ZEDJE. Search it. Z-Edge, ringtones, and wallpaper. Click download. Open it. I'm going to go ahead and go to it and open it. Where is it? Right there. Okay, I'm going to search up any ringtone I want. I don't know if you can hear this, but wait, I don't want to hear that. Where is it? Where's my favorite one? Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but that's going to be mine. You click it, click that down arrow, it'll show you these. You could click it as standard, notification, contact, or alarm. I will just put standard there, and if somebody calls me, it'll pop up as that. Bye YouTube.